It's Brody and what the heck? Illegal. Oh my god!